Are you ready to do some standing core? All you need is one light dumbbell. I have a 5, but choose a weight that challenges you with good form. All right, so start with your feet about hip width apart and just give me a squat. Bring the weight up to your chest and just sit back. Good, 4 more. Now we're gonna take this a little slower and then we'll speed it up. Go down, reach, take it away from you, bring it back to center, and stand up. One more time slow. So you're gonna reach down. I'm gonna call this the scoop. Bring it up, not like ice cream. I know where you're going with that. Bring it out and in. All that sounds good. Reach away from you. So you will be working your shoulders in this, and that's okay. That's why you want to choose a light weight. Be mindful of your abdominals and of course your low back and hips. So it's not about the arms moving or the legs moving. All right, we're gonna go to your right, and we're gonna do a figure 8 right here. Out and in. Now, think of it as a lopsided figure 8. Big loop, small loop. Big loop, small loop. Really reach to the side. It doesn't have to be a high loop, just a wide loop. So you can let your body go with it. Okay, 4 more. Come on, reach. 2 more. Let's go back to that squat scoop. Reach out. So you're circling out, keeping the chest lifted. Now figure 8, go to your right. We're gonna be doing everything on the right for a while. Good, 2 more. Big loop, small loop. Give me that squat scoop. 1 more. Figure 8. All right, go again, squat scoop. Reach, and then that figure 8. All right, so listen, bring that weight to your chest and give me a small side bend. Over and bring it in. Now your feet shouldn't be close together. We'll be doing another version of the side bend later, slower and a little deeper. So this is smaller. Feel that stretch down your left side. Bend those knees, feet apart. Are you getting warm? Make sure that the abs are pulled in, bracing your core. 1 more, let's put it all together. Squat scoop. All right, figure 8. Now side bend. 4, 3. Let's do that again. Squat scoop. Remember, reach away from you. Figure 8. Think of those obliques. Side bend. We're gonna cut that in half. 2 more. So only give me 1 of the squat scoop. Reach and then figure 8. Now that side bend twice. Do it again, just like that. Reach, figure 8, side bend. Okay, 2 more. Now, as you get warmer, make your movement bigger. Okay, here's your last one. And side bend. Okay, put the weight in your right hand. All right? Now we're gonna cross. Now I have my hand resting on my shoulder, but you could have it here. Make sure you're turning the shoulder and not just your elbow. Bring it across. So you're turning your chest because we want to get that rotation. All right, you got 4 more, and then we're going to do that deeper side bend. That weight you're holding is going to go overhead. So turn this foot out, slow, out, in. You could reach that hand. Those feet should not be close together. Feel that stretch. If that's too much, put the weight here, okay? Or you can just keep it close to you. You can always put a hand on your hip or your thigh for support, but keep that navel in. Okay, 1 more like this. We'll always do this one slowly. Elbow, opposite knee, right? Bring it across. Good, 2 more. And give me that slow side bend. Reach, turn that foot out. Elbow to knee. 1 more. Slow side bend. Are you getting warmed up? How you feel? Elbow to knee. Now your side bend. Give me 2 more like that. Bring it across. Side bend. And you've got 1 more. Side bend. Now you're going to lift that arm, bring it all the way down, and then lift. Reach. So this one you want to resist going with it. Okay, I want you to hold that leg. Hold. Bring that arm across. In center. Out. Everything down. And again, I know you're probably starting to feel that shoulder. That's why we grabbed a light weight. See how I put my toe down? Now go quicker. 4. You're lifting with the side of your foot. Don't open up. Now hold that. Bring that arm across. You can always hold that arm where it is. In and then lift. Singles. 2 more. This is the last set. And then hold it. Bring that arm across. Really try to hold. It's okay if you're wobbly. In, down. Let that shoulder rest. Okay. So put the weight between 2 hands. And we're going to start with a halo going to your right. Remember, behind your head, so make sure you really reach back, get that spinal extension in there. Back. Back. So you're really reaching back. I definitely don't want you hitting yourself in the head, especially if you have a heavier weight. So feel that circle, the obliques, the spinal extension like an ab stretch. Ooh, go the right way, Laura. So you can always slow down if this feels too fast. 1 more. Hold it at the bottom. Go across, up and down. Bring your hip with you. Okay, 2 more. We're gonna put these moves together. Halo. Take it down, up and across. Up and back, up and down. Nice. Remember, make that big, especially the halo. Okay, 2 more. Reach back. Last one. All right, hold it center. Last little bit, then we'll switch sides. So we're just gonna reach out, reach out. Now it's not just the legs lifting and the arms going. Think about reaching. Reaching with the spine, pulling the abs in. Think of it like a standing crunch. You're bracing the core. The legs don't have to be totally straight. You don't even have to lift them high. Just get that crunch in there. Okay, bring it center. Now I want you to reach overhead and bring it back in. Open up your abs. Extend that spine with control. Okay, let's go back to that reach. Alternate the legs. 4, 3, and spinal extension slowly. Keep this one nice, slow, and controlled. And reach. 1 more. Spinal extension. 1 more time. Reach back. Nice job. Okay, so we're switching to your left. We're gonna start everything from the top. How do you feel? Feel all right? We're halfway there. So we're gonna start with that squat scoop. So we can go right to tempo, okay? Reach out. Make sure the knees and toes are slightly out. You're not rounding your spine, trying to get forward. You sit back. Okay, 1 more. So we're gonna do that lopsided figure 8. Big loop, small loop. Big loop, small loop. And you're really reaching laterally. Feel those obliques working. Okay, give me that squat scoop. 4, 3, reach away from you. And then figure 8. I called it a lopsided figure 8. One more. Scoop. One more. Lopsided. Scoop. Figure 8. Okay, bring that weight to the center, and then that shorter lever, side bend. Bend those knees. If the legs are really straight, it's hard to get over there without feeling a lot of low back. Bend those knees. Okay, scoop, feet apart. And then figure 8. Side bend. 4, 3, 2. Can we cut it in half? 1 scoop, 1 figure 8, and 2 side bend. Scoop. I just like saying scoop. I don't know why. Side bend. I'm such a child. Scoop. Figure 8. Woo! I combined 2 exercises. Did you see that? Scoop. Figure 8. Side bend. Okay, we're moving on. Put that weight in your left hand. Bring it across. Turn your chest toward that thigh. Get that rotation in there. Standing on a slightly bent leg. Remember, you're not just bringing the elbow across. Turn your torso. That knee doesn't have to come all the way up, okay? Just do what you can do. 2 more. Here's that slow side bend. Turn this foot out and reach. So if you find you can't get very far, open up your feet. And then turn this one out. That's gonna open you up and give you a little more range of motion. All right? Elbow to knee. 4, 3, 2, and that slow side bend. Turn that foot out. How do you feel? You feeling good? I hope so. Elbow to knee. 1 more, and then the side bend. Elbow to knee. I just put my hand here so it's out of the way. All right, 2 more. And we move on. Side bend. And the side bend. Okay. Rest for a second and then lift. Maybe try and take it away from your midline. Don't turn the toe up. Lift with the side of the foot. Okay, we've got that hold. So bring it up. Hold the leg. Hold. Center. Out. Everything down. And again. Center. Out. Down. Single counts. Lift. 4, 3, 2. Hold it. Hold. In. You can always put that foot down. Let's do it one more time. Single lift. I know you feel that shoulder because I do. And then the hold. This is the last one. Bring it in. Take it out. Drop it down. Nice. Hold the weight between both hands. So remember, we're going to your left with that halo only. Bend those knees. Up and around. Get those elbows back. Reach back far enough with those elbows. You feel that slight ab stretch. Remember, you can go slower if it feels too fast. One more. Bring it down and go across. You should be going up to your left side and down to your right. Bring that hip with you. Okay, can we combine those two? I think we can. Halo. Up, down, across. Up, down, diagonal. Bring it back, down, cross. And make sure you're controlling that. Go a speed that works well for you. Two more. Here's your last one. Okay, we got that standing crunch. Remember, get that crunch in there. Pull the abs in. Two more. Remember, those legs don't have to be perfectly straight. Okay, reach overhead. I'm creeping up on you. I keep getting closer. And in. Reach back. Now, you want to keep your abs engaged even though they get a stretch here. One more. Give me that crunch reach. Alternate the legs. And then spinal extension. Back. In. Okay, let's cut that in half. Alternate the legs. Reach. Pull the abs in. Spinal extension. Nice and slow. Controlled. In. Reach again. Spinal extension. Back. In. You got two more. You could do all this whole workout without weight. If that's challenging for you, last one. And bring it back. Awesome job. Okay. Nice. Bring the arms up. Take them behind you. Reach back. Open up the shoulders. They did a lot just holding that weight. You did awesome. Now I hope you got to take some time for yourself today. Remember, taking time for yourself is just as important as the time you put in for other people, if not more so. Bring it down. Down. Release that low back. Keeping the abs braced like that works the low back, it works the abs, the hips, all the way up. Now take your feet farther apart, last stretch. Remember, you are worth taking time for. Just release those hamstrings. You can even take it side to side. And then bring it in, slowly come up. Thank you so much for joining me. You did an amazing job. Now, if you'd like to check out a quick leg workout, check this out right here. I'll see you next time. Bye.